Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Antigravity CLI on your computer. Recently, Gemini CLI has been deprecated. You will see over here, it has officially been deprecated. We are going to use Antigravity from Google. Okay, click on over here. Let's click install over here. You will see there are 3 options that you can download. The first one, Antigravity version 2, and the second one is CLI, command line interface, and the third one is IDE. So we are going to use this one, CLI. So let's open PowerShell over here, and let's right click here, run as administrator, and then it will pop up, and then copy this command and then paste it over here, hit enter. Okay, you will see Antigravity CLI binary placed successfully at this path. So you will see that binary is installed, but it is not in your active path. Following the instruction to paste it in, please follow the instruction above to add it, then restart the terminal section. So let's highlight this path and copy it. Okay, copy it and search for environment, and you will see edit the system environment variable over here. Click over here, and then in path over here, just click edit, and then just click new and paste it over here. Okay, and then click OK, click OK, click OK, and then just close this one and reopen it again. Okay, I think the installation is done. So let me show you how to use it basically. Okay, let's create a folder over here. For example, I want to create a website. So I name it like anti-website. Okay, and then right click over here. I will open this folder with terminal, and then let's type AGY to open Antigravity CLI. Okay, and then it's going to ask me to log into my Google account. Just choose the first one and hit enter, and then it will pop up the sign in with Google. Just click on the account and then click sign in, and then it will tell me to copy the authentication code. Just copy it to keyboard and go back to this terminal, and then paste it over here, right click and hit enter. And then it's going to ask me whether I want the Antigravity CLI to trust this folder. When I say trust this folder, it means allow AI to use this folder. So other folder is cannot control. So this is for safety. Just hit yes, and then you will see that currently I'm using Gemini 3.5 Flash. So I can choose model over here, / model, and then I can switch to other type of model. I can even use Claude Sonnet, but I will use Gemini 3.5 Flash and medium. Okay, and then I will say hi. So this is just hi to Gemini, and then it will say like, hello, I am Antigravity, your AI coding system, your AI coding assistant. I see we are in empty workspace folder. Okay, I will tell is I want you to create a basics HTML and CSS website for my profiles. A developer at Deptamine. My name is Alex. You can type whatever you want AI to do. I like teaching people how to code and use technology. You can add more information to make my website look professional and interesting. Okay, hit enter. You can press Ctrl O to expand the working process. And then it's going to ask me, do you want to proceed? Okay, just proceed. And it will start creating a website. You can press Ctrl O. Over here you will see everything in detail. And then you can press Ctrl O to collapse. And it's going to ask me like request permission to access to Node version. Okay, just click OK. And request permission for Node version as well. Yes, okay. You will see currently the website is run on localhost port 5173. Let's press Ctrl and click over here. You will see the website that's created by Antigravity. Let's click about. Okay, this look cool, I will say, and it's take only maybe 1 minute. Okay, and let's take a look at the files over here. Okay, let's right click, open code, and then code. You will see is HTML files over here. Let's open HTML file, open in live server. Okay, this look good, it's just only HTML. And if you want to quit this command, you can type / and quit or exit. Hit enter, it will exit. And if you want to go back, you can resume back to this. You just copy this one and conversation code and paste it over here. It will resume back to the point that you just exit. Okay, let's exit again. Okay, this is all about this tutorial. I hope you like it.